Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe to be the best hypoallergenic wipes on the market. The Honest Company Clean Conscious Multi-Use Wipes in the Geo Mood Pack. If you've been searching for a gentle, sustainable, and truly multifunctional wipe for your baby, or frankly, your whole household, this video is for you. Let's start with what makes these wipes stand out from the crowd. The Clean Conscious wipes are made with over 99% water and just 7 clearly listed ingredients. That's right, no complex chemical names or hidden additives here. Everything is transparent, and that's one of the reasons this product is so highly trusted, especially by parents of children with sensitive skin. Now, when we say hypoallergenic, we mean it. These wipes are fragrance-free, dermatologist-tested, and even certified by the National Eczema Association. So, whether you're wiping a baby's bottom or a toddler's sticky face, you can rest easy knowing the ingredients are both safe and soothing. These wipes are extra thick and ultra-durable, making them perfect for all those unexpected messes life throws at you. The packaging is also worth noting. The resealable flip-top dispenser keeps the wipes moist and easy to access. You're not fumbling with flimsy plastic here. This design was clearly made for busy hands in real-life situations. From a sustainability standpoint, the Honest Company delivers on its promises. The wipes are made from plant-based cloth, and they're fully compostable, both in home and municipal composting settings. That's an important point. These wipes disintegrate within 8 weeks, meaning they won't be clogging landfills or contributing to long-term waste. Plus, they're completely free of plastic fabric, fragrances, alcohol, parabens, and chlorine processing. If you're wondering how this product fits into a larger lifestyle choice, think about this. It's cruelty-free, EWG verified, and formulated without harsh chemicals. It's a product that doesn't force you to choose between effectiveness and ethical responsibility. In terms of size and quantity, this particular pack comes with 288 wipes, split into 4 packs of 72. That's a great balance between stock-up value and portability. Whether you're stocking your diaper bag, car, gym locker, or kitchen drawer, this size works across the board. When you consider the quality, safety certifications, and compostability of these wipes, the value becomes pretty clear. To wrap things up, the Honest Company Clean Conscious wipes live up to their name. They're gentle, they're sustainable, and they're incredibly practical. Whether you're a parent, pet owner, eco-conscious shopper, or just someone who loves a clean, healthy lifestyle, these wipes are a solid buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product reviews. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.